Hello, good morning children. This is Samir Ramjan. Today I am going to teach you 10th class English grammar, that is from 4th unit of lessons. So this is the third part. From the 4th unit only, previously class, that is the second part of that grammar. And now third part of this grammar I am going to tell you. Children, you see that you have, I think, the textbooks in your hands. There is a fourth bit now. Third part, fourth bit. It is continuation to that fourth unit grammar only. And earlier you have come to learn that conversation between Sarath and Bharat. And that conversation it told you simple past tense and past perfect tense, how to use that it is given to you. In continuation to that conversation, here editing part given to you. That is a grammar exercise. But editing part in examination, that it will be given from your text lessons, editing part. So you know it well. So now here I am coming to that some exercise which is given to you. General mistakes, those are to identify. That mistakes also from the paragraph you see 10 errors are given to you in total paragraph. 10 errors are there. These 10 errors and that are areas of concord, tense, prepositions, punctuation and articles also related to that. So all these you observe them and identify that what are the errors in this passage. Okay. Now first you see that children, the Indian film industry has witnessed sweeping changes in the past 100 years. That is one sentence. Next you say that it has witnessed sweeping changes given to you. That is generally it is discussing. Second sentence, it is started off OF of given to you. It is started off with mute. So what will be the mistake here? Started off OFF off. Started off with mute. Mookie films. Second sentence is the second mistake. Even then given to you. Even though people liked this new form of entertainment. Even though. So that is a correct one. Third sentence, next sentence, not fourth sentence. There dash several intervals, plural form it is. So what will be here? It is not was. There were several intervals in a film show because of a single projector. So that is a single projector was used. Later, the technological changes made talkie films possible. Here A is given to you. No need of that article there. Made talkie films possible without a article. Next one is a theater of those days. A theater of those days is like a rice mill. So those days given here B form tense is wrong given to you. So what will be that B form here? There was. A theater of those days was like a rice mill. So it is showing a singular noun. B form is used for the singular noun. Next one you see that this type of theater were called in here singular theater. Type of theater singular form. So what will be B from here? Was. This type of theater was called. That is a correct error if you do the correction here. Touring talkies. Inverted commas given to you, touring talkies. Next sentence, but these did not tour. That is a sentence given to you. There were bamboo screens to served together. After TO2 preposition, V2 never comes. What will come here? To serve. To serve is the correct one. Screens to serve the purpose of wall of the modern theatre. Next is this cut shows were a luxury of those days. Have you ever watched? What is the mistake here? Have you ever watched? That is the past tense. Past participle that it is. Have follows the V3. Have you ever watched them? Question mark. Mistake what is that? Watched is the correct word. Now the modern theatres here what will be correct here? Are completely is given in singular B form. Theatres plural, that is why AR is correct. The modern theatres are completely different. Multiplexes with DTs 3D and 4D are a present reality or a present reality given to you or a present reality. This is errors and editing part of this passage. Okay now children, so in your examination you have to prepare well, and for the purpose of annual examination, summative examination, what you have to do there, lesson, beginning of the lesson from unit 1 A, B, C, poems will not be asked for the errors purpose, only passages, prose lessons, those are given to you, A lesson, C lessons. In first unit ABC lessons, prose only given to you, sentence to sentence. you have to read and understand and grammatical structure, how it is given, and using the parts of speech, how they are given to you, and which tense that are given to you, pronouns what are given. All these things you have to observe carefully while reading the lesson. That will be helpful to you in the editing part. Do you understand that? So children, you prepare that editing part while reading the lessons especially, and observe the sentences structures also. This is very important. So let me come to that one exercise study skills. Those are given to you, that yourself you read them. Tragedy and comedy given to you. Read and underline the idioms given there without changing the meaning of the passage. Refer to the dictionary given to you. Accept as you come to that study skills part. Tragedy and comedy given to you. That it is you have to prepare, and you read at the sentences that underline the idioms without changing the meaning. You take the words, some other words, and write them. Do you understand this? Now, remaining part, some what do you call that? B lesson is given to you, and from the B lesson, children, I'm giving you some introduction about this B lesson. Maya Bazar. I'm coming to that Maya Bazar B lesson for the next video actually, but introduction you listen there, because this unit is related to films and theatre. So films and theatre generally that are introduced to you how the films were there. So A lesson, it is conveying, it is going to tell us who is Satyajit Ray and Gaston Roberts, who was these two personalities. They introduced not Gaston Roberts, only Satyajit Ray. He introduced our Indian films to the world. Oscar committee level, he took our films. That was a great thing. That is Satyajit Ray. And the second B lesson, what it is going to tell you, Maya Bazar. This lesson is completely related to our Telugu film. So that Maya Bazar, how it was made, and who were the director and producers and actors who were there, and what is the importance of that Maya Bazar, and what is the specialty of that Maya Bazar, not only in the theme and concept, and also that it is using the technology in those days. That today's technology was not at all developed, but what technology they used, and why till today we are discussing about Maya Bazar. These are the great things here. Actors, director, technicians, producers, all they put their effort that days only. And moreover, that actors also, they did their action and fantastic. That is why Maya Bazar film till today it is live to the people, and that old people and the present generation people also. So that is a very interesting film that it is. So children, vocabulary part given to you. I am going to discuss the vocabulary. The vocabulary is related to one word substitutes. So you know the meaning already in the first unit of lessons. One word substitutes are given to you. Here some other exercise given, 1 to 15 sentences given to you in your textbook. You can see that one word substitutes, those are given in vocabulary part from the 4th unit of lesson only. After Rendezvous with Ray lesson, you please come to that Rendezvous with Ray lesson. Afterwards vocabulary part I am going to discuss with us. So instead of using a sentence, or instead of using many words, there will be only one word. It gives the total meaning of the sentence. So that kind of words are called one word substitutes. What do you call it? Instead of more than one word, there are to use only one word, which gives the lengthy meaning. That means instead of writing the lengthy meaning, instead of speaking the lengthy sentence, we can use only one word. So that kind of words are called one word substitutes. Let me say that here vocabulary exercise from your textbook given to you. One word second bit, that is from vocabulary second bit. So you open the textbook and see the lesson afterwards. A lesson afterwards. That means after A lesson, after question and answers, vocabulary given to you. In that vocabulary part, second bit given to you, one word substitutes. See in your textbook. Are you ready? In second bit, one word substitutes there are. Rendezvous is a one word substitute for a meeting place. Meeting place meaning for its one word is rendezvous. That is a French word. Here you can also see you can work in group and pick out a similar one word substitutes from the text equivalent to the meanings given below. So sentences given to you, that meanings are given to you. You have to write down the one word substitutes. As I have written from the textbook, you see the vocabulary part. This is the second bit, children. Second bit. Can I read that? First one, a short stay between two places in one's journey. what do we call it? A short staying, that it is, while doing the journey. What do we call it? In the renewous lesson came that word. That it is, what do you call it? Stop over. Stop over. This is the one word substitute. Second one, a person who brings out new books. What do we call him? He is a publisher. Publisher. Is it okay? Third, a group of 3 films that has the same characters are subjective. That is, in the lesson came to you, trilogy. What do you call it? Trilogy. Am I right? Trilogy it is called. An impressive entrance to a building. An impressive entrance to a building. What do you call it? A portal. It is a portal. P-O-R-T-A-L, portal. Fifth one, a person who tries to make something less good by criticizing. A person who tries to make something less good by criticizing. The sentence, is it correct to say that? Tries to make something less good by criticizing it. What do we call that person? Detractor. What do you call that? Detractor. The person is called. Sixth sentence, you see, a person who is extremely important or large in size. Person who is extremely important or large in size. That is the sixth sentence. You see that. What do we call him? He is, what do you call that? Colossus. Colossus. The person is called. Okay. And the seventh sentence, a person who is responsible for a problem or a crime. What do we call him? A person who is responsible for a problem or crime. Seventh sentence it is. It is called, the person is called culprit. What do we call him? Culprit. That person is called. Okay. Now you see, eighth one, a handwritten document. What do we call it? In the lesson came, A lesson, from the A lesson. Handwritten document is called a manuscript. It is called manuscript. Is it okay? Next, ninth one, a statement that expresses something people believe is true and is to be followed. Ninth statement, that is ninth meaning, which is good to, what do you call it? Dictum. Dictum, it is called. Okay. Next sentence, using more words than needed. 10th one, that is called verbose. That is all verbose. P-R-B-O-S-E, verbose. So this like 11th sentence also I'm going to read it out. Something designed to teach people some moral. It is called didactic. Didactic. Okay. Next, told a person who is not sure about the existence of God. What do we call him? That is agnostic. That is agnostic. That it is, and atheist also we can call. Next one, 13, a branch of philosophy that studies the principles of beauty in art. What do you call that? Aesthetics. A-E, aesthetics. You write down A-E-S-T-H-E-T-I-C-S. Aesthetics. Aesthetics, that is called. Next, 14th one, a result of a situation or of an action. What do you call it? Fallout. F-A-L-L-O-U-T. Fallout. 15th, a film that gives facts about something. What do you call it? Which gives facts and something. Documentary. Documentary, that it is. Okay, children, these are one word substitutes. You practice them, and more one word substitutes you practice with the meanings. Then it is easy to write in sentences and paragraphs in your own essays, essay writings, and in general writing. That will be helpful to you. That is from the 4th unit of A lesson. So let us see for the next class in the children. Let us see that in the next video.